Beaches, bridge views, a bird and adventure with Noah. We're out with the kids right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to another episode of Drone and Phone Kids. This is the last in our series. We're here in Ma Wan or Park Island. How are you feeling? Alisa and Austin. It is really cold today. This is going to be a real adventure because I've never been here before.
I've been here before.
He has, but I don't know the way, so who knows what we're going to discover. We've heard it's fantastic for kids. Let's get going. Now the cooler weather is here, it's time to put our hiking boots on and get out into Hong Kong's hills. For this series, we're dragging along the kids, or should I say they're dragging us along. In this second series, we find 5 more great hikes that will keep the kids happy while we wear them out. For this episode, we start at the Central Ferry Pier, where we are directed away from the pier and onto a bus that takes us direct to Park Island, or Ma Wan as it is known locally. Most of us know the small island from trips to the airport, as both road and rail links use it as a stepping stone to get over to Lantau from Qinghe. We start with a hike up Tai Leng Tau. Well, we've just reached the top of the mountain. I think the highest place on Park Island, can't really call it a mountain, it's actually a little bit of a hill. We walked up, around, across the beach, around, under the bridge. There is some amazing infrastructure to look at, a few things for the kids to play on, and we've now reached the summit and on our way down, but not a challenging walk in any way. Hopefully we're going to find some more fun things for the kids to do later. From the lookout at the top, we follow a path in a loop that takes us off the concrete and onto a short stretch of trail. I knew you were going to do that! I knew she was going to do that! Can't walk past the camera without performing. She's a performer. There are fabulous views over the bridges that span the water along the section before you return down to the solar park, where the second part of the walk starts. Well, we've done the first half. The first half was a little loop around the highest point on the island. Easy enough trail. Then we've gone back under the road and now we're on the part that sort of seems to be kept by the Noah's Ark company, but is free to walk around. Lots of nice little paths around here, a few things to do. We're going to work our way over back to where we started from along these paths here. Noah's Ark, the main attraction on the island, has 2 parts. One is a replica ark that you have to pay to enter, around 200 Hong Kong dollars for an adult and slightly cheaper for children, and an outdoor park that is free for anyone to roam. We decide to skip the paid part and head off through the nature garden to the Hilltop Lookout. There we find an interesting bird sculpture, presumably erected for the benefit of plane passengers heading into and out of the airport. To finish the walk, we follow the maze of boardwalk trails through an adventure journey that keeps you guessing to the end. The end of our final episode. We've done about 4 kilometres. How has it been for you guys? It's actually been quite fun. A nice relaxing day, certainly one of our easier kids walks, but a great day out. For now, if you're finding this for the first time, you're going to find all the other kids episodes plus lots more on our YouTube channel or on our website at droneandphone.com. For now, my name's TJ.
My name's Poppy. My name's Alisa.
And this
is Drone and Phone.